What the readers are now doing is actively scanning for tags. While we're doing that, we'll click Lock Host Computer, and what that will prevent is people from messing with this host laptop while we're up and running. Everything we need to access can be done through the smartphone portal, which I'll show you in a moment. So we'll lock the host computer. We're ready to go. Okay, so let's start the first few laps. I'm going to walk past the readers. Now you'll listen for a very distinct chime, which is telling me that it's picking me up, and you'll look on the screen and you'll see my name displayed. Okay, so it's picked me up there, right? What I'll now do is just do a few laps, noting the 10-second minimum lap time that we had set earlier. Slowly, you'll see those laps tally up. Now, Abacus can be configured for up to 2,000 tags for very large events. We've previously tested it and the system can absolutely cope with that number. It's the same logic, it's just more users. The system is also very stable, so the system can remain in this state for 24 hours plus the typical duration of a relay for life. The computer has been locked, so there's no risk of anyone tampering with it. And everything that needs to be accessed can be done from the smartphone portal. So, now that we've got some numbers up on the screen, we can log into the smartphone portal and see the types of information that it's going to display. Okay, now that we've tallied up a few laps, we can access the smartphone portal to check out some results. So, confronted with the main screen, we can check out a results summary. Alright, let's go with tag number 1. Here, it will bring up quite a few bits of information. Who it's registered to, how many laps we've done, how many kilometers, what team we're on, how many team laps we've completed, when we last checked in, average lap time, best lap time, how long we've been participating in the event, and so on and so forth. Okay, we can also view our check-in logs for those athletic types. Here's a record of every time that we checked in, as well as each of the lap times and total elapsed time. So this is really useful to provide a record for each of the participants. We can check out the combined effort for the entire event, essentially, which is the same information displayed on the screen. And we can also check out the leaderboards for individuals as well as our teams. So this adds to the friendly competition side of the event. Okay, let's say that 24 hours has elapsed and we've accrued thousands and thousands of laps and we're ready to finish the event. When we come to the computer, we've already stopped the read process. I've used color coding, so red means the system is stopped. We now like to export our results. So we simply enter our password, we click the export results page. Let's say that we'd like to export all of the types of reports today. We'll export those. We'll set up a new directory just on the desktop with sample export. Okay. Exporting those now. Okay, files were successfully exported to that location, which I'll now go to. Okay, and here we have all of our sample reports. I won't open each of these, but you can see that they're in Microsoft Excel format. The software doesn't actually need Microsoft Excel to export these, but in order to view them, you do. So, let's open detailed results as an example. Here, using Microsoft Excel, we've got a detailed view of all of the information that Abacus captured. This is really useful because we can export this as a PDF file, we can perform data filtering, come up with our own statistics. In addition, we've also captured logs for each of the files, like you would have seen in your smartphone, the tag register, who we actually registered to in terms of teams and individuals and passwords, and our leaderboards, so that we can put this on social media after the fact.